Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Hyper-V virtualization on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install Hyper-V virtualization on Windows 11 computer, click on Search. In Search, type Windows Features. Here you will find an option, turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. Windows features has been opened. Here you will find Hyper-V. Now select Hyper-V and then click on OK. Applying changes. Windows completed the required changes. Now click on Close. Now click on Start menu. In search, type Hyper-V. Look, this one the Hyper-V manager. Click on Hyper-V manager. Hyper-V virtualization has been installed properly on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.